In this video, we are going to talk about how HashMap work in Java. So let's start. It is important to understand what is hashing and what is hash code. Suppose we have a function, we pass an input value byte programming to this function. Output would be integer value -1467225455. This integer value is actually called hash code in Java, and this hash code is representing byte programming. Also, just remember, hash code can be positive, can be negative. Negative of hash code can happen due to integer overflow. Now let's see how put operation work in HashMap. We can create an object of HashMap using map hm equal to new HashMap, and internally an array of node will be created, and each of the box 0, 1, 2 is called index. There are total of 16 index, and this value of 16 is actually called initial capacity of HashMap. Remember, by default initial capacity of HashMap is 16. At each of the index, insertion to the HashMap will be stored in the format of hashcode, key, value, and reference to next node. Now insert a value hm.put a1. What are the steps that is going to happen when we do hm.put operation in HashMap? First would be calculation of hash code from the key. Again, for calculation of hash code, we would require a hash function. So pass the value of key to the hash function to get the hash code. Second step would be calculation of index or bucket location to store the entry. Here index equal to hash code binary AND operation with n-1. So pass the value of hash code, pass the value of n-1, you will get the index. Now if you locate the index in the given array at index of 1, insertion to the HashMap will be stored in the format of hash code, that is 65, key a, value 1, and there is no next node, so reference is null. Similarly, let's insert hm.put v2. We will repeat the same step. Pass the key to the hash function to get the hash code, pass the hash code to calculate the index. At the index location of 2, there is no entry present, so value would be stored directly in the same format 66b2 null. Insert one more entry hm.put r4. Repeat the step, pass the key to the hash function to get the hash code, pass the hash code to calculate the index. But wait here, at the index location of 2, there is one entry 66b2 null. So how the value of r4 will be stored? In this case, first comparison of hash code of the given entry with the hash code of the key that we are passing, that is r, is going to happen. Both are not matching. You can see here hash code is 66, hash code of the key is 114. Both are not matching. So in this case, a new node will be created, and node would be 114r4 null. Also, reference of this node will be stored in the previous node. If you look at both nodes, you can see formation of linked list. So this is a special case. Why a special case? Because at index location of 2 we have a linked list formation because of storing of two different keys. This is called collision in hash map. Here we have the basic project structure and all the insertion that we can see. Also one additional insertion of null as key to the hash map. So let's verify our claim. Let's start the application in the debug mode. Now if I go to HM here, let me expand this. I can see all values in the hash map null a b are. Also if I expand this table, I can see total index of 0 to 15. That means initial capacity of hash map is 16, and at index of 0 we have key equal to null. So remember, whenever you insert null as key in the hash map, it will be inserted at index of 0 always. Why at 0? Because hash code of null is 0. It will give index 0. If you expand at index 1, you can see insertion of key equal to a, value equal to 1, and the format you can see here is hash code key value and reference to next node. Similarly, at index 2 we have seen collision. Let me expand this. At index 2 we can see key equal to b, value equal to 2, but next is not null. It is containing a reference to next node. If you expand this, you can see key equal to r, value equal to 4, and both b, r is inserted at index 2. This is called collision in hash map. In case of get operation, hm.getA, that is, we are passing the key in the get method. So what are the steps going to happen behind the scene? First step would be calculation of hash code from the key. Again we will use same hash function. So pass the key to the function to calculate the hash code. Second step would be calculation of index or bucket location. Again same formula, index equal to hash code binary AND operation with n-1. Pass the value of hash code, pass the value of n-1, you will get the index. At the index 1 we have one entry 65A1 null. So in this case, first comparison of hash code is going to happen. What is the hash code here? 65. What is the hash code of the key that we pass? 65. Both are equal. If hash code is matching, go for equality check for key. What is the key here? A. What is the key that we pass in the get operation? That is also A. Again both are equal, so value returned would be 1. Similarly, if we do hm.getB, first and second step would be repeated. Pass the key to the function to calculate the hash code, pass the hash code to calculate the index. Now at the index 2 we have two insertion 66B2 and 114R4. So whenever a collision is present at a particular bucket location, comparison of hash code and key would be sequential in nature. In this case, what is the first node present here? 66B2. What is the hash code of the first node? 66. What is the hash code of the key? 66. Both are equal. Go for key check. What is the key? B. What is the key that we pass in the get operation? Both are equal. So value returned from hm.getB would be 2. Similarly, if you want to fetch r value, we can write hm.getR. Again repeat the step, pass the key to the function to calculate the hash code, pass the hash code to calculate the index. But wait here, at the index of 2 we have 2 entry again, and we know we will do sequential comparison. So at the first index 66B2, what is the hash code? 66. What is the hash code of the key? 114. Both are not equal, so go for next node. What is the next node here? 114R4. What is the hash code? 114. What is the hash code of the key? 114. Both are equal. What is the key here? R. What is the key that we pass in the get operation? R. Both are matching. Value returned would be 4. This is how get operation work in HashMap. This was all about this video. We talked about put operation and get operation in detail. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos.